We're going to run your tests today on two different machines. This is a A3040, which is a 10 horsepower machine. It's got a larger opening on it. You can open it from the top, or you can push the material in and then down to the blade set there. Also has an evacuation system there. And then this unit is an A1843 unit, and we'll try the bottles in this. This is a 5.5 horsepower unit. The difference is this unit will do 160 pounds an hour of your material. This will do 300 pounds an hour of your material. So it really depends on how many pounds an hour you want to do with the machine. But the basic regrind will be the same. It's the same basic cutting mechanism to do it. It's just a larger version of the 1843. So we're gonna turn off the video and then we're gonna run the test for you. All right, we're gonna start loading the machine with your different bottles right now. We're gonna first do the A1843. Taking the material, we bumped around a little bit, the bigger ones. We pump some more in. bounce around until it gets the right angle on it, and then it'll bust it up. So I'm going to just let this one out, and then we'll do the test on the larger machine. Here's the ground material from the A1843. It did a nice job, went through it, no heat. It didn't have a lot of fines in it. You can still see it destroyed all the paper that you had attached to the bottles and everything. So this did a very good job on it. This was a 6mm screen that we used for your test here. So again, this is the A1843 with a 6mm screen. This whole bin filled up in about 5 minutes. All right, we're going to run your test now on the A3040, and the big difference in this machine is the rotor is a 300mm diameter rotor compared to this machine, which was a 180mm diameter rotor. Both handle your bigger tanks, but this one will just handle it a lot easier. There won't be as much bouncing around on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take your box and just fill this thing as quickly as we can, just to show you how it's going to plow through this material. So I'm just going to turn this on. First the blower system, then the granulator. Ball's just going to load as quick as possible. Particles are looking like. So just let this run, and then I'll show you the end product. It'll take about 5 minutes to run through all that to get the bite on it, and then I'll turn it back on. Here's the material that ran through the A300 400. Yeah, the granules look exactly the same as what came out of the A1843. Not much difference in the two. So really depending on the volume you're looking for, whether you go with the smaller unit, the A1843, or the larger unit. But the A1843 handled everything perfectly. And unless you need over 150 pounds an hour, I would just stay with the 1843.